Welcome to English Literature, UGC NET. Here we are going to discuss most important questions for UGC NET exam. I hope this session will be helpful for you. If you are new to our channel, please do subscribe and don't forget to like and share the video. Let's start. First question. Which of the following plays by Tom Stoppard is based on two minor characters from Shakespeare's Hamlet? A. Arcadia. B. Travesties. C. The Real Inspector Hound. D. Rosencrantz and Guildenstern are dead. Right answer is option D. Rosencrantz and Guildenstern are dead. Tarankan. Next question. Which literary period is characterized by the themes of reason, decorum, and classical imitation? A. Romanticism. B. Modernism. C. Restoration. D. Neoclassicism. Right answer is option D. Neoclassicism. Next question. The sprung rhythm is a poetic innovation by A. T.S. Eliot. B. Gerard Manley Hopkins. C. W.B. Yeats. D. Robert Browning. Right answer is option B. Gerard Manley Hopkins. Next question. In which novel does the character satyr appear? A. Beloved. B. The Bluest Eye. C. Sula. D. Song of Solomon. Right answer is option A. Beloved. Tarankan. Next question. In the Canterbury Tales, which character tells a tale that is a fabliau? A. The knight. B. The nun's priest. C. The miller. D. The clerk. Right answer is option C. The miller. Next question. Which of the following novels by Salman Rushdie is set during the period of emergency in India? A. The Moor's Last Sigh. B. Shalimar the Clown. C. Midnight's Children. D. The Ground Beneath Her Feet. Right answer is option C. Midnight's Children. Tarankan. Next question. The literary form of Bildungsroman refers to A. A tragic downfall of the hero. B. A novel of manners. C. A coming-of-age story. D. A political satire. Right answer is option C. A coming-of-age story. Next question. In The Second Sex, Simone de Beauvoir argued that A. Women are biologically inferior. B. Gender is socially constructed. C. Literature must reject femininity. D. Feminism is a Western ideology. Right answer is option B. Gender is socially constructed. Next question. The sublime as an aesthetic concept was theorized in the 18th century by A. Samuel Johnson. B. Edmund Burke. C. Matthew Arnold. D. William Blake. Right answer is option B. Edmund Burke. Next question. Who among the following is associated with Ars Poetica? A. Horace. B. Aristotle. C. Longinus. D. Dante. Right answer is option A. Horace. Next question. The novel Things Fall Apart was written in response to which colonial novel? A. Heart of Darkness. B. Kim. C. Robinson Crusoe. D. Mr. Johnson. Right answer is option D. Mr. Johnson. Next question. Who wrote the poem, They Flee From Me That Sometime Did Me Seek? A. Philip Sidney. B. Edmund Spenser. C. Thomas Wyatt. D. Christopher Marlowe. Right answer is option C. Thomas Wyatt. Next question. The novel A Passage to India deals primarily with A. Anglo-Irish politics. B. The Boer War. C. British colonial rule in India. D. The decline of the Roman Empire. Right answer is option C. British colonial rule in India. Next question. Dover Beach is a reflection on A. Natural beauty. B. Scientific rationalism. C. The erosion of religious faith. D. The Napoleonic Wars. Right answer is option C. The erosion of religious faith. Next question. Anita and Me by Meera Syal explores A. Feminism in America. B. Colonial rule in Burma. C. The experience of British Asian identity. D. The partition of India. Right answer is option C. The experience of British Asian identity. Next question. The central theme of Ode to the West Wind is A. The death of nature. B. Spiritual salvation. C. Revolutionary change and rebirth. D. Religious prophecy. Right answer is option C. Revolutionary change and rebirth. Next question. Which of the following is a postmodern novel by Angela Carter? A. White Sargasso Sea. B. The Magic Toy Shop. C. The Color Purple. D. The Bell Jar. Right answer is option B. The Magic Toy Shop. Question for you. He novel Things Fall Apart was written in response to which colonial novel? A. Heart of Darkness. B. Kim. C. Robinson Crusoe. D. Mr. Johnson. Submit the right answer below in the comment box. Thanks for watching till end. Do like and share the video. Stay tuned. We will meet tomorrow with another important session.